Night runs in Texas can feel endless. Flat land, no lights, just you and the road, humming under 70,000 pounds of steel. It was 1:47 a.m. when I hit a remote toll booth outside Dallas. No cars, no trucks, just silence. The sign said cash only, already weird in this day and age. The booth lights flickered, like they were losing a fight with the darkness. I rolled up slow, brakes sighing like an old beast waking up. No attendant inside. Then I heard a knock, not on the window, on the outside of my trailer. My heart just dropped into my boots. I checked the mirror. Nothing. I checked the booth cameras, all pointed down, like someone bent them. Another knock. Harder this time. Metal on metal. I threw the truck in drive and whispered, "Nope, not tonight." The second I crossed that toll line, the lights went solid. The cameras snapped back up. And right behind the booth, in big faded letters, on an old concrete wall, it read, "If you hear it twice, it's already riding with you." I didn't stop at another toll until sunrise. Because some roads don't just charge money. What's the strangest thing you've seen on the road? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like stories like this, make sure to subscribe.